All right, I wanted to take a moment to make a video so you can rewind it and watch it again if you need to on this concept of stretch and compression. Really spend a lot of time in class on this usually, so I want to make sure you had the opportunity to really slow down and process this if you needed to. So what you'll see here is I'm talking about the square root function, all right? So this is just normal parent square root function right here. That's right there. That's what a square root function does. Over 1 up 1, over 4 up 2, over 9 up 3. Normal. So we're saying, well, what happens when we put this integer out front? Well, what if we make it a 2? What if we make it a 3? What if we make it a 4? Well, what's that? I just want you to understand it's fundamentally just doubling whatever output I normally get. If it was a 3, it would triple whatever output I get. Output is the y value. That's why it's a vertical stretch. So I normally put in a 4 and get out a 2. Now I'm getting out a 4. So when I go over, look at the blue, over 1 up 1, now with the red one, I'm going over 1 up twice as much as I normally do. For this point, I normally go up 2. Now I'm going up twice what I normally do. Over 9 was up 3. Now it's up 6. And you would just do that according to whatever that number is out front. Now, this is called a compression. Well, by the way, I wanted to say that red, it's because think of it as like on a string. We're like pulling the blue up vertically to the red. Whereas the green, we're compressing. And that's why a fraction, be careful, a fraction like 1/2, 1/3, 2/5, not 5 halves. Like 5 halves would do what this one does, right? Because it's actually bigger than 1. But any of these fractional pieces like this, what they're going to do is they're going to actually compress it because we're going up half of what we would normally do. With 9, I go over 9 up 3, but now I'm only up 1.5. Okay? So this right here is an explanation of the vertical stretch and the vertical compression, how that works kind of vertically. And actually doing this, I've decided to stop the video because I'm going to make a totally different video for the horizontal ones and not put it all into one video. So I hope that made sense a little bit. It would work. I want to say it would work like this no matter what the parent function is. Same concept. It would just modify the points of the parent function.